What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Ryan's Radar, and we are doing some really cool stuff this week for all the new people that have decided to join in on Economy for Nerva. We have a lot of exciting things coming your way, and yeah, if you guys want more information on Economy, what we're doing, the lifetime packages, the free trials, just look in the description below, and you'll get all the information you need. And if you can't, hit me up on Discord, on Telegram, join the groups, and see what you can do. So let's get into tonight's analysis. So for Euro USD, we had price last night being bearish, right? So that was the one thing we talked about. It went up during New York session, and pre-New York had the nice drop. And if you missed that drop, you could have caught some moves during New York session, but it wouldn't have been as powerful, obviously, here during that pre-New York drop. So what I'm thinking for tonight, since price has already made its move, we have the end of the day slash the beginning of today's trade sessions created a 1 hour supply point, and price just barely missed it. I'm thinking, nope. There's a 30-minute here too. It didn't really grab that. So you have a 30-minute, and then you had a 15-minute, I believe, right here. But you can clearly see price never touched it, right? So when price doesn't touch it, that means that it's either going to continue up or it's going to have its own little rejection area and kind of drop back down. But this is still premature. I think based on how price went yesterday, look, so you have this box right here. Price literally whipped right into this 1 hour demand because these were actually lines yesterday. So this was a line, a yellow line, and this was a red line. So price literally in the at 7:15, so 2.5 hours ago, tanked right into these two zones, inducing trade. I mean, think about it. You have a low here and a low here being formed. People are thinking double bottom. Breakout traders see that, they automatically take the sell. That's the inducement right here. This is a literal inducement right here. And then they pushed away. Could they continue down still? Yeah, absolutely. Because right now they're currently in a descending channel. You have price kind of being respected all the way down here and all the way down here. So it's just a matter of what's it going to do because it's got to break out eventually. The only thing is it going to continue down further, down toward this monthly demand, maybe this 15-minute demand or other recently formed demands that were formed hours ago? Or is it going to bounce off this one and continue higher into supplies to retest the highs that were formed 2 days ago? It really is a interesting situation. And including that, keep in mind, we have the overall box right here that price is contained in. So we have a daily demand that price is within. It could continue down, hit that monthly, and then continue up, or it could break these highs, break this trend line liquidity and continue higher to retest here, then drop back down. It really all depends. We do have news tomorrow morning, right? So that's one thing that we do have news tomorrow morning at 7:30. It's jobless claims, continued jobless claims, all that stuff. So the dollar is going to be impacted. If it's bad on the dollar, if it's negative news and we have more unemployment, then we could clearly see price shoot up, and that's going to be good for anybody that's in longs. But if it's good for the dollar, then this is going to continue down into these lower demands. So it's hard to gauge because you have a lot of these demand boxes and you have supply boxes. So that it equals a range. It could be whatever, but this leads us to potentially trade both ways, right? So that is something you have to take into account. When you have demands and supplies like right on top of each other, you could literally trade both ways. You could wait for it to hit up into these supplies, sell it, and then once it hits these demands, buy it. It's use them as supply as take profits and stop losses, if you will. But we're in an interesting position. I think we should wait during New York session to see exactly how it gauges, and then from there we'll have a really good idea. So I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. It could go both ways, and I might take a sell and a buy tomorrow. We'll see. So let's go to GU. GBPUSD, kind of similar to EU, except it's not inside of a daily demand, is it? No, it's inside of a 4 hour. But point being, it's almost the same because it has its own range. The last day, it rained, right? It rained all day yesterday. And now we are having supply and demands form from that range that it could respect and just kind of start its own ranging process here, right? That's one thing. Or it could break it, pull back, and continue up into here, touch that 200 moving average here on the 1 hour, which actually looks pretty good. Or we're going to see price hit and continue down towards these demands. Again, all depends. not one specific thing is the right thing, but our best bet is to wait for New York session. Let's let London play out, let all the stuff happen, and then we can come back to a New York session and find a proper move. But I can say if you're trading Asian session going into London, these are your current areas of supply and demand, right? Same thing for EU. These are your current areas of supply and demand. If price is going to bounce off of here, it could drop. If it breaks and doesn't give you an engulfing, it could continue up to these higher areas or potentially even higher to these areas. So just be on the lookout, be smart, use proper risk management, don't get greedy. You guys are going to start seeing results. So like I said in the beginning of this clip, get involved with Economy, get inside the Enerva chat, hit us up, ask questions, because these lines that you guys see that I draw manually every single night, they're going to be automated one day. It's our key zone indicator. So it's really going to make things easier, especially when we have it in alignment with the Nervo. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for you guys. See you guys in the group and look forward to seeing you. Peace out.